Ella the elephant loved mud. In the heart of the African savannah, where the sun painted the world in gold, Ella couldn't resist the allure of a good mud bath. It was her daily ritual, a moment of pure joy. Splashing, rolling, spraying water, it was the best way to stay cool. Ella reveled in the feeling of mud on her skin, each splash a moment of pure elephant bliss. Zara the zebra liked to stay neat, her black and white stripes always spotless.
You're always so muddy, Ella.
And you're always so clean.
They were friends, but they didn't always understand each other. Yet in the heart of the savannah, their differences only made their bond stronger. Then one hot, windy day, fire struck the forest.
Cough, cough, wheeze, help, help, somebody help me, please.
While everyone else ran away, Ella ran toward the fire.
Ella!
Hop on.
Maybe mud isn't so bad.
And maybe running's not so bad either.
They still liked different things. But now they played together more and helped each other always. Their friendship had grown stronger through their adventures, teaching them the value of embracing their differences. Because being different isn't a problem. It's what made Ella and Zara a great team. Their unique qualities complemented each other, creating a friendship that was stronger than any challenge they faced. Together, they proved that diversity is not just beautiful but powerful.